Hello mga langlang, mayang adlaw. Mo ni mga products sa event 12 students o sa ilang business simulation o ganina nagkuan sila defense sila sa ilang business proposal. O lami kay lang gipang prepare mga langlang. O di ba kaon dayon ta o napoy naganda og perfume o baligya po na nila. Mo na ilahang mga products. Tanawa lang ninyo mga langlang. Thank you so much students. Grabe yun sila ka-active. Uban silang gwapa nga. Kuan, advisor o teacher po nga si Ma'am Karma Mela Tormis. Mo na siya. Tanawa lang ninyo mga langlang.
This activity is an annual activity for the Rector of ABM, exploring and presenting their business plan and business proposals. So they're the very gorgeous English teacher in your senior high school teacher, no other than our lovely Ma'am Genevieve Lacaya. We have also our distinguished judge for this morning, business-oriented, business-minded lady, and also a mathematics enthusiast, no other than our very old Ma'am Debbie Andrews. Finally, one of the distinguished entrepreneur in our teacher and entrepreneur in our institution, the very CEO of King 5, no other than Sir Ariel Galuso. So, let me run through very quickly the letter. Everyone is number 2.
Honored panel members, let me begin with a simple question. What if a single product could turn an ordinary moment into something truly satisfying? That question asks, I am Leslie Escott is made with a soft filling and crispy coating, making it both delicious and satisfying. We operate inside Dalian National High School. We offer
We recognize the presence of competitors selling similar banana-based products. Additionally, unstable prices or challenges in the market.
We identified 3 main competitors inside and outside the school.
and the school community. Based on ingredients cost, we also offer discounts and combo deals for bulk purchases. And the third one is Bliss. We will sell our golden Bliss. We will promote our product through
That one, promotions to encourage buyers. And the fifth one is people. The business is operated by students, entrepreneurs who prepare, cook, and sell the product while ensuring cleanliness and friendly serving. And the sixth one is packaging. Our packaging is we are clean and then size paper plates. Paper plate.
last one is positioning. Golden Bliss is positioned as delicious, affordable,
Sa tunga. Okay, thank you so much now. Congratulations for the job well done. You presented your business proposal successfully. And now get ready for the questions and of course suggestions. Okay, let's start with Sir Ariel. Kay maybe ready na siya. Dagara sa question dali na sulat.
No, first of all, gusto ko pasalamat kay ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much.
Now, my first question.
Next group is
Good morning, dear panelists. Get ready to taste the excitement because Victoria is here. Where are you?
But still fix the taste of students without hurting their pockets and wallets. Alright. Our next slide is what this is what are we calling?
Will be the students, you teachers, and also the non-teaching staffs. Furthermore, the ground because it's very huge, and also our businesses. We have independent and school hours, meaning that we can only sell on the recess hours. And also, it required us consistent ingredient supply.
Okay, thank you so much, no? Ay, wala video. Ay, pagwapa. Apla?
Imagine a fragrance that flies like silk, melts like a dream, and lingers softly through your day. This tiny, elegant, solid perfume is designed to suit your moments and stay with you wherever life takes you. Meet our makeup perfume, the little batch that keeps you feeling
Spritz. Third is eco-friendly. We use as minimal and reusable packaging, supporting environmental awareness. Lastly, hygienic and long-lasting. Solid forms reduce stores that sells this kind of products. So we took the opportunity and it made us realize that we have
Great fragrance. We also teach and strengthen the activity and teamwork of students involved in the business purchase. And fourth is achieve steady daily sales and sustainable, meaning we do not harm the environment and use method that
understanding of Aromia perfume and our vision for this venture. Now we are open for questions, feedbacks, and suggestions you may have.
Sabi isang tao po rin na nag-iiwas.
May budget ni?
Hello everyone, we are the remaining last group. So the group who are nearly survived deadlines, late nights, and unlimited revisions. So just to bring you something exciting.
Today, we're introducing a Filipino trend just softer than our group leader's heart after deadlines.
Kulitan ka pa nila. Glutinous rice.
Joy and culture appreciation for students and teachers alike. So our core values first is equality. Always ensuring our co-delight is clean, appreciation, preserving and promoting Filipino snack and identity. So, lastly, sustainability, practicing budgeting,
and every day. And let's go to
For our management and personnel structure, we organize our team to ensure smooth and efficient business operation. At the top, we have our business director, Leslie Tigoy, who oversees the entire business and guides all major decisions. Under her leadership, we have three main departments. First is the financial department, led by Cherry Jane B. Udit. She handled budgeting, monitoring expenses, as keeping financial records. Working with her is our sales frontliner, Jasmine R. Anduman, who assesses customers and manages daily sales.
Coconut. Coconut completing traditions, great